What first comes to your mind when you think of the biggest online retailers? I bet it's Amazon. When it comes to the retail market, Amazon is dominant in e-commerce, leaving competitors in the dust. In this video, we will talk about how did Amazon become successful. So first and foremost, a big thumbs up for the video. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss any update. When Amazon started in 1995, it was a site that only sold books. Within a month of its inception, the company had already shipped books to over 40 different countries. Since then, Amazon has become one of the world's largest e-commerce companies, accounting for around 44% of total e-commerce sales in the United States in 2017. Any retail company, regardless of what they sell, can learn from Amazon's success strategy on how to grow their e-commerce business and attract more customers. So, to begin with, number 1. Personalized shopping experience. Amazon is at the zenith of success now due to providing each customer with a personalized shopping experience. The e-commerce leader uses a customized approach to address the needs of the customers, making them feel special and giving such focused attention. Amazon takes personalization further by notifying customers if a chosen product is available. It prevents customers from adding products to their shopping cart only to discover at checkout that they can't get them. Number 2. Reviews on products. Nobody wants to buy something without fully understanding it. Customers often purchase goods with more favorable ratings than unfavorable ones because they are relying on the knowledge of others. According to research, 45% of consumers check reviews before making a purchase. Amazon is undoubtedly a pioneer in this area. In 1995, the business became one of the first on the market to launch a review system on its website. The review system has since been enhanced, and additional features have been introduced. Amazon began to make $2.7 billion a year after adding the "Was this review helpful?" feature to their review platform. Number 3. Outstanding customer services. Amazon is a leader in the e-commerce industry in providing excellent customer services. Amazon is aware of the particular needs of different demographics and goes to great lengths to fulfill them with new features. Amazon concentrates on making millions of global customers happy with affordable prices, free shipping, a broad range of products, on-time delivery, and great customer support. Number 4. Constant innovation. It is the keystone of Amazon. Amazon's e-commerce strategy largely derives from its innovative technologies and practices, the majority of which were initiated by Jeff Bezos. Amazon regularly updates the system and introduces new concepts to customers. The focus of Amazon's innovation strategy is the client. By using cutting-edge technologies, the organization has recently greatly improved the services it offers. Think of Amazon's cutting-edge products, like the Echo, an impressive voice-controlled tech. The Echo can be used to research the most popular movies, play songs, and even check the weather forecast. Amazon has gone even further and introduced to the world its smart speaker tech. The Amazon Echo Dot and the Amazon Echo Show aim to please customer needs. Number 5. Execution. When fulfilling client orders, Amazon does everything perfectly. They choose goods and services that consumers desire and require, and they make use of global distribution hubs that enable them to transport goods fast. Additionally, Amazon has strong vendor ties that enable them to provide clients with exclusive discounts. The world's largest online retailer is also ramping up plans to invest more across Europe this year, employing thousands of more employees. They're also looking to implement brick-and-mortar stores that will have the capability of same-day delivery via drones. This is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.